Hi everyone, my name is Evie. Welcome to my channel and let's crochet this ruffle skirt. Please remember to subscribe, like and also leave a comment.
To start, I'll be using this yarn, a pink yarn and a white yarn, my pair of scissors, my crochet hook at it's, I'm not so sure, 1.5, yeah, and my markers. And for the markers I'm using these bobby pins and my tape measure. So to start, I'll start by making a waistband for a waist size 33. So I'll use this pink yarn to start. So I will chain, I'll make a chain of 11. I'll chain 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 excuse, and then I'll be placing single crochet, I'll be placing half double crochets in each and every stitch all through. So go on with half double crochets. This is for the waistband. On the last stitch I'll place a half double crochet and then chain one, and then turn my work, and I'll be working at the back of the loops here. So I will continue with half double crochets at the back of the loops all the way through. And that will be the pattern for the waistband. So I'll chain one and then go back on the first stitch there, continue with a half double crochet all through, and I'm working on the back of the loops right there. So I have my waistband ready, which is 33 inches like I said. So the next step will be joining, and to join I will place single crochets to join the two sides, this part and this part together. I'll place single crochets, but first make sure it's so go on with your single crochets all through from this end to this other end, this end here. And then at the end here I will have to turn my work on the cleaner side like this. This here I'll just cut it off, then turn my work on the cleaner side, and then I'll put my marker on this side, and then I'll put the other marker on the other end right here. So from here I'll go with double crochets all through, and I'll be placing double crochets in each and every stitch. So from here I'll place a double crochet, all through from this end all around to back here where we started. And I'll be doing that off camera. So right here where we started, I'll place a double crochet, and for increasing, I'll be increasing at the ends here, this end and this other end here. So for increasing, I will place 2 double crochets on the same stitch. So right here I'll place a double crochet, and then another double crochet, and I'm working hips measurements 40 inches, so I'll be increasing on this end here and on this other end here. So work your double crochets all through until here, and then I will show you how to increase. Okay, here where it all started, I will place an increase. As you can see, I placed an increase here, so I will alternate and place it here. So for row 2, I'll place my increase right before the increase we did. So you can either place an increase on this side, on the next row, that is on this side, or on this side, but not here where I did. Yeah, that's what I meant by alternating, because if I on my next row, if I place an increase here, it will form a V stitch. So to avoid that, either do an increase on this side or on this other side, but not on this same spot. Okay, back here where we started increasing, I'll start working on my ruffles and for the ruffles I will be placing 2 double crochets on the same stitch, and then 1 double crochet on the next stitch, and then 2 double crochets on the next stitch. So 2, 1, and then 2 on the next stitch. So work all the way through until back here where we started the ruffles. On my second row of ruffles, I will repeat the same process, 2 double crochets on 1 stitch, and then 1 double crochet on the next stitch. So basically the same process, 2 double crochets and 1 on 1 stitch, 1 double crochet on the next stitch all through. I'll be working off camera, and then for the ruffles I'll only be doing 2 rows, and then I'll show you the next step. So I'm done with 2 rows of the ruffles. The next step I'll be doing is I'll be placing single crochets, but first cut the yarn, and then I'll make a slip stitch, and then pull through nicely. So I'll attach my white yarn there, and then continue with single crochets all through from this end all around my work to this very end here, and I will work off camera. So to finish off the first ruffle, I will cut my yarn and then make a slip stitch and a slip knot, pull through. I will weave this in and then work on the next part. Now for the next part, I'll change to my pink color, and these are here the markers. These are the corners of my work, so I'll be working on this stitch here. I'll be working on this, but from the inside, because remember I also have to increase for the hips measurement, which is 40 inches. So on this stitch from this side here, I will insert my hook and then take my yarn and work double crochets. But first I'll make an increase, so I will chain 2, 1, 2. That one counts as a double crochet, and then work a double crochet and another double crochet on the same stitch. Now this one here marks our increase for the hips measurement, and then I'll be only increasing on the inner part of my work, not the ruffles, the inner part. So I'll continue with the double crochets all through until here on this other corner, on this other side here, for my increase. And I'll be doing 4 rows, but I'll work the first row just to show you how it should be like. On this other end, I'll also place an increase, and it will be 2 double crochets on the same stitch, and then I will continue with the double crochets all through until back here where we started. Yeah. After I've done 4 rows, I will now work on my second row of the ruffles, and it's basically the same thing. 2 double crochets on the same stitch all through, and I'll be working off camera, so it will be 2 double crochets on the same stitch, and then 2 double crochets on the same stitch on the second row of the ruffles, and then single crochet with a different color if you want to. I'll work off camera, and then I'll meet you once I have my second ruffle. Yeah, I'm done with ruffle 2, the second row of ruffles. So the next thing I'll be doing is I'll be repeating the same thing I did here on this part here. So I'll just fold my work. Don't mind these ones, I'll cut them off once I'm done with the skirt. So I'll fold my work like this and then work from here. Remember, I'm working at the corner of my skirt, and then I'll take the yarn right there, and also I'm still increasing because I need to get to 40 inches, half of it, which is 20, and I'm at 18. No, yeah, I'm at 18, so I need to still keep increasing until I get to my desired length, hips measurement. So the next thing here, I'll also place an increase, which is 2 double crochets on the same stitch, and then work all the way with double crochets, and then I'll be working 4 rows of double crochets, but I'll work off camera. I'll work, and then right here at this corner here, let me put my marker. I'll also place an increase. I'll also place an increase, so just work 4 rows with an increase. And if at this point you've gotten your hips measurement, you can stop increasing, but for me, I'll have to keep on increasing until I get to my desired measurements, but I'll work off camera. So I did one row of the double crochets, and I've gotten my hips measurement, that is 420. Okay, that is 20 inches. Right here. So the next thing I'll do, I will be working this double crochets without increasing until, okay, I'm not so sure, but I'll let you know. I will be working with the double crochets from now henceforth without increasing. And if you haven't acquired your hips measurement, you can keep on increasing at the corners here, but for me, I'm okay. I'll just continue without increasing here, and I'll be working off camera. I'll let you know how many rows I did. So guys, I'm done, and I did a total of 11 ruffles, and in length it's nearly okay. When I turn my work like this, the length, it should be 11 or 12 inches. No, 13, 12. Yeah, it's 12 inches. Yeah, so if you want, you can put the drawstrings at the waist area, but for me, I think it's for this, it's okay without the drawstrings. Yeah, so I'm done. That's how it looks like. Thanks for watching, and let's catch up on my next video. And subscribe please if you haven't. Like, and also leave a comment.